everyone, welcome to another video. It's Louise here from CrazyBorgies. I am going to be doing a latch hook along with me video today. I haven't touched this one for quite some time, but today is the day, I decided. So yes, first and foremost, if you haven't done so already, if you could like and subscribe and follow me on TikTok and Instagram on CrazyBorgies Diamond Art. So this one I purchased from Temu, and I did an unboxing the other evening actually of some kits from Temu. They do some lovely latch hook kits on there, so it's always worth having a little look. And the trick is to put it in your cart and just leave it in there for a couple of days or so, sometimes even longer, maybe a week or so, and they will slowly but surely send you offers of the item at a discount. Yes, that's how I got this one at the bargain price I did. It was only, what did I pay? £3.76, $5.16 for this one, and it's a 43 by 43 centimetre one, so a really nice generous size for a cushion. Yes, and this one is for my doggy Luna. She is a cockapoo and she loves furry things, or fluffy things even. That's what it should look like once completed. Fingers crossed. I mean, you can sort of see it taking shape now, but it's ever so simple to do this craft. It really is. So yes, I've just got back in from church, and it's not too bad here in the UK today. It's a little cooler than what it was yesterday, which is good, because yesterday was just awful. It was not nice at all. I have Luna curled up asleep next to me here on the sofa. Bless her. I need some of that blue now. Yeah. Now we've got orange again. Oops. I always do 2 rows at a time, guys, on this, just because I think it helps me see more progress. Need more orange, don't I? There's a lot of orange in this section. Oh, Sita, can you pass me that pink one, please? The neck holder one. Thank you. Right, I'm just going to change to my neck, the phone holder that goes around my neck. You can hold it, put your camera in there or your phone and record whatever you're doing. It's quite a handy little tool. Okay, right, hold on 1 second. Right, so you're in the phone holder now around my neck. There we go. There we go. I hope you can see what I'm doing okay. Oh, great. Now my phone is dying. I don't know. There. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here now. Let's move you out a bit. Gonna do some of this blue and some more orange.